Welcome to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Around here, it's not about perfection. It's about the joy of creating. Whether we're crafting, cooking, gardening, we're always trying something new, making memories and a little mess. In life's messes, we learn and grow. If that sounds like fun, subscribe and follow. You never know what we are going to learn next. If you're craving something sweet, creamy, and totally guilt-free, you're in the right place. Today we're making banana nice cream, a deliciously smooth frozen treat that tastes just like ice cream but is completely dairy-free. With just a few simple ingredients, this plant-based dessert is perfect for cooling down on a warm day or satisfying that after-dinner sweet tooth. Let's blend up some goodness. Ingredients: 5 to 6 frozen bananas, half a cup of oat milk, 1 teaspoon of stevia, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. Freeze the bananas. Peel and slice 5 to 6 ripe bananas, then place them in a freezer-safe container or bag. Freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until fully frozen. Add the frozen banana slices to your food processor or high-speed blender. Then add cocoa powder, stevia, vanilla extract, and oat milk. Blend until smooth. Pulse on high, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed, until the mixture becomes creamy and smooth like soft serve. Serve immediately. Scoop into bowls and enjoy right away for a soft, ice cream-like texture. And there you have it, a simple, sweet, and satisfying bowl of banana nice cream. Whether you enjoy it plain or jazz it up with your favorite toppings like chopped nuts, dark chocolate chips, or a swirl of peanut butter, this dairy-free dessert is as versatile as it is delicious. I hope you give it a try and fall in love with how easy and tasty plant-based treats can be. The full written recipe is linked below. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.